So Beth, wow, what a game!
Yeah, it was really good. I mean, for us to score in the first minute was fantastic, and I thought the first half we played well, and the second half, I mean, we did defend, and unfortunately we were under the cosh, and China were good. But no, it was a good game. Pleased, really pleased with the 3 points. So yeah.
And you kept England in it, really. Phenomenal saves. I mean, particularly there was a triple save in the second half, wasn't there? And
yeah.
Was there really a kind of standout moment for you?
I think probably the triple save. It's those moments where you just think, yeah, brilliant, this is great. I can't really remember, I'd like to say back on video just to know exactly what happened, but I think probably that was the moment where I thought, yeah, this is good. You feel kind of switched on and sharp, and that was probably, I think, the moment where I thought, no, it's okay, I know it's late on the second half, but yeah.
And you won the Tournament Keeper Award in the Champions Trophy in Nottingham.
Yeah.
Is it too early to start thinking about best story keeper of this tournament as well?
Definitely way too early, way too early. I think if you look at the keepers out there, I mean, a couple of countries got absolutely fantastic keepers. I think the Dutch girl played really well yesterday. I think the Chinese goalkeeper was a very good goalkeeper. And Germany got some great goalies, so and the Argentine girl. So you just think, it can go anyway, and it's second match in, and there's a lot of the tournament to go. So I just hope, I'd like to continue to play how I played today, and I think hopefully as a team we'll grow and keep on playing better and better by each game.
So 2 games, 2 wins.
Yeah, good start.
Next you've got Korea, haven't you?
Yes, we've got Korea, yeah. And,
they're going to be a tough proposition, aren't they?
Yeah, really tough. I mean, I think they'll be like China in terms of their work rate, the amount of running they do, the speed. They've got a couple of really good players up forwards, and their corners are looking good. China's corners are a threat, but Korea's, they've got 2 drag flickers, and both of them are very good. So it'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Don't give away in corners.
Excellent. And I hear you make a mean chocolate brownie as well. So have you been cooking for the team a bit or anything?
No, not whilst I've been here. I do make occasional brownies when we're at home as a little pick-me-up. Don't tell the nutritionist. No fat, really. No. Yes, I love baking, cooking, and everything at home. So.
Excellent. Well, best of luck for the next game.
Thank you very much.
I'm sure you'll do fine.